Okay, so the daily cipher for July 26 is flash, Flash, flash. So for F it is dot dot dash dot. All right, for L it is dot dash dot dot. All right, for A it is dot dash. Wait, we will start it again. For it is dot 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 Flash. For H it is 4 dots, 1 2 3 4. So sometimes it doesn't work, and it gives some error. It could be due to the internet connection issue, or maybe even you tap it right correctly, it doesn't work. It is definitely because of the internet connection. So we will have to start from the beginning, and the Morse code is very easy.